First, we fire up the Ooni Pro and get it real hot. We're using charcoal today. Back in the kitchen, we shaped the dough, and that recipe is elsewhere on our channel. This pizza dough is super easy to shape. First, coat it in flour, put it on your bench, and then press the middle with your fingers to form an outer ring and an inner flat spot. Carefully pick it up, and it will pretty much stretch itself to the right shape and size. Back outside, Julie swapped the doors on the Ooni, and we're just about ready to go. Started out with some crushed San Marzano tomatoes, not sauce, just straight up tomato. Then I ripped up some fresh mozzarella and put that on. Tore up some basil leaves and spread them evenly on top. Put on a squirt of olive oil and then took it outside to the Ooni Pro. Once in the Ooni, I turned the pizza a couple of times to make sure that it cooked evenly. In about 90 seconds or so, the pizza was done. And there you have it.
All right.
Pizza in the Ooni wood-fired pizza oven.
Of course, we're having wine first, but that's okay.
Yeah, I mean, that is. So I'm going to take this piece because I like the extra little burnty bits around the outside. So for the first pizza, we went with a more traditional Neapolitan style. Neapolitan-ish.
The standard fare.
Yeah, so really simple, just a couple of ingredients. 3 ingredients. 4 ingredients.
The dough. Oh, you put the
5
oil.
ingredients. We're up to 5 ingredients.
Boy,
It's
it
not
went
that-
from simple to being
it's not
very
that
complex.
simple anymore.
Were you going to mention how many versions you've made? Okay.
This is not the first one.
No, this is the first one we're sharing
No.
with you.
So, having never cooked in a wood-fired oven, or having never cooked pizza in a wood-fired oven, there's definitely a bit of a learning curve. So while this is the first pizza that we're showing you, we've had that oven for about a month.
We've eaten pizza about every 4 to 6 days for about a month now.
About a month. Putting them in, making sure that we can get the crust right, making sure that we cook it right.
Oh, you can't make it too hot.
Oh, yes.
Yes, you can.
You can make it too hot.
Instant flames. It was really impressive, but not very good pizza.
No, as soon as the pizza went in, it was on fire.
Kind of like I feel right now.
I wish I'd
It's
had the
hot today.
camera. I wish I'd had the camera for that one.
Well, this one worked out. We finally figured it out. So we've got the recipe. We figured out the dough, the amount of water.
So you watched us put this together, and we're eating it. There are separate videos that go in depth into making the dough, that will go in depth into shaping the dough, and then we're going to do more videos with different toppings. And I'm really impressed with this oven.
It's a lot of fun. I will say we've tried a few other things too, which we'll share with you in the near future as well. It's been a lot of fun testing it. All right.
Let's have some pizza.
Well, too late.